Hello guys, in this video I will be sharing with you how you can increase your profits with this best forex strategy. Okay, that is what we will be looking at in this video, and of course we will be focusing more on how we can go about it and how we can make a lot of profit with the forex strategy. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and of course guys, make sure you practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this? Okay guys, so quickly let's move on to what we have right here. Okay guys, like I said earlier on, we are looking at how we can increase our profit, our trading profit with the forex strategy, which I will be sharing with you in this video. So quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. I will be going to the Jamboard first to highlight some points right here. Okay, when it comes to forex trading, there are some things that you need to take note of before we go fully into it. Okay, you need to know your support and resistance level. Okay, and resistance level. Okay, so all these are very important, your support and resistance level. So once you are able to achieve this, then you will be able to milk the market successfully for yourself. Okay, because these two are very important. They will let you know when the market is trending and when the market is not trending, or when it is in favor of the direction you want to go to. Okay, so these two are very important. Then the most important of all is what give birth to this, okay, which is going to be the trend. Okay, the trend is always very important. The trend can be either when the market is on downtrend, or is on uptrend, or when the market is on downtrend, depending on the direction you want to achieve. Okay, this is when it is on uptrend, while this is when it is on downtrend. Okay, so all these are very important. If you are buying, then you should focus more on when the market is on uptrend, and of course it should come from the support region. If you are selling, then it should be when the market is on downtrend, and this should come from the resistance region. Okay, so all these are very important. Okay, if you are within the exact trend, then definitely you can make a lot of profits with it. You can make a lot of profits with it. Let's say you want to sell, and of course the market is on downtrend, then you should know that you will sell more at that particular time than when the market is on uptrend. Okay, so if you try to sell when the market is on uptrend, then definitely you are most likely to stay trapped in the market for a very long time, and that can be tiring. Apart from the fact that you are most likely to lose your money, even if you don't lose your money, it can be tiring waiting for a very long time before you get to profit. Okay, it can be tiring, and you can easily get discouraged at that particular point. But when you know the exact trend to go into the market, then you will be able to milk the market successfully. So guys, let's move on to the chart right away so that we will be able to put all this together and see how we can turn it into a big cash for ourselves. This is crash 1000. We will be checking it out on using synthetic indices, and of course this is 1 hour time frame, just the way you have seen around here. We can see that the market was on it was on downtrend before, but when it got to this region, it got to a support zone, and of course guys, at this support zone it was unable to break out from there. This is 1 hour time frame, and of course the trend changed right from here, and it went on uptrend immediately. It started the trend, you can see it right from here. Let me try to do this. Okay, immediately it's the market broke out from this region, then definitely it started a new trend. You can see it kept on buying. At this stage, it got to this resistance zone, it pulled back a bit. There will always be pullback in between, and of course went back up again. It has gotten to this region again, and of course it pulled back again and played around there for a while before breaking out around there, and it went up again. You can see it right there. So that is the trend and the pattern that it is following, and each time it is picking up again, it is always at the support and the resistance zone. Okay, it is picking up at the support zone. You can see it right there, picking up at the support zone, and it also happened around here again. Okay, so that is the beauty of it. So when you are in the right trend, you will be able to trade this asset successfully for a very long time. Okay, and of course you can also use the resistance zone to map out the breakout. Okay, for instance, somewhere here, you can say once it breaks out from there, then definitely it should buy for a very long time, and you can see it bought for a very long time at that particular point. The same thing happened around there, and it bought again, and so you can see you can do that over and over and use it to milk the market successfully for a very long time. So this is a buy region, and of course guys, in case you don't know how to point out all these, okay, there are some trading tools that can help you to do this effectively. Everything that we're seeing here, we're going to see it right here using this custom made indicator. Okay, you can see it around there. Check it out. So this is the same chart we've been saying before. Around there it started an uptrend right from here. You can see this is the support zone, and of course we got our buy signal right here. This is the red flag that shows that the market was on downtrend, and this is the yellow flag that shows that the market is going back on uptrend. Okay, so we got our buy signal around there where we have our horizontal arrow, and each time we have our buy signal, we plug into the system and we start trading. This is 4-hour time frame, and you can see it went up till it got to this region. Here is the resistance zone, so we knew that we may likely have a pullback around there, and of course it happened. Okay, you can see it around there, and of course we got another buy signal around there because the trend is yet to come to an end, but we should take into consideration this particular resistance zone that led to this pullback, and of course when it got there, it pulled back a bit again, but went back up to break out from there. And when there is a breakout, then definitely it will go for a very long time. And of course if you should notice around there was a pullback around there, definitely we should experience something like that. That was why it pulled back a bit. You can see the wick of the candle, and definitely it will go above that again to get to this particular resistance zone. So this can give you a lot of profit. This is 4-hour time frame. If we should go to 5-minute time frame, you're going to see how long this trade had gone. You can see this, guys, it had been on a very strong uptrend. You can see it starting from here, it kept on going up and up and up. It was a single buy order, and of course it came up till it got to all this region. This is amazing, guys. Anyone can actually do this. All you just need to do is just to make sure you practice and perfect with these trading tools, and you will be able to make a lot of profit from there. Okay, all you just need to do is just to wait for it to hit the support zone and get the right buy signal with the right trend, then you come on board and you trade till the very end of the trend. It is a beautiful experience. Okay, so many people have tried it before and they've made a lot of profits with it. Okay, most especially when it is just coming up from a support zone. When you get such signal, then you should be rest assured that it's going to go for a very long time. This is unique, this is beautiful, and this is something you can use to milk the market for a very long time. Of course, there are some times that the market will range around there to be playing between the support and the resistance zone for a while before it will break out successfully. Then you should know at that particular point that the market is ranging at that particular point and it is trying to break out either above the resistance zone or below the support zone. And in most cases, because the trend is just changing into an uptrend, it is most likely for it to break out above the resistance zone so as to go fully into a buy trend. So that is very, very important. So once you understand all this, then you will be able to use it to milk the market successfully. So this strategy is so unique, it's beautiful. The first thing you should take note of is the trend of the market. When you are able to identify the trend of the market and the right trend for you to trade, then the next thing to do is to follow the signal that supports the trend. When you are able to do that, then definitely you are ready to milk the market for a very long time. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and you can also drop some of your questions in the comment section so that we can review it together, so that more people can also learn from it. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.